Hi, the next topic is type 3 SCD. So in SCD type 3 we are taking partial history. So here I'm taking DPT source and DPT target. Here I created two columns, current location and previous location. So now create a mapping, then we'll see how we are loading current location and previous location into target. Okay, first drag and drop source and targets. Okay, same process, create a lookup on target table. Which one? Type 3. Okay, drag and drop the department number. So change the name in underscore LKP underscore department number. This is we are using for only condition. Then create a condition, department number of lookup equal to source department number. Sorry, this one is SRC, not LKP. Okay. Then create a expression. First drag and drop the source columns into here. From lookup I'm taking dname, current location, department number and current location. Change the names. This one I'm using for only condition purpose, in underscore LKP, and this one I'm going to update that previous record. Okay, and create two columns here to identify new record and update record conditions. New record, and this one is update record. Okay, so new record condition is if of is null of lookup department number and true comma false. Okay, validate, and this one is update record. So update record condition if of source department number equal to lookup department number just a second. This is input, not output. We need to change the condition here. If of is null of department number okay, true comma false, and this one is source department number equal to lookup department number and source location not equal to with lookup location, true comma false. These are the common conditions. Okay, and create a filter or router. Filter, first drag and drop the source columns and new record condition. Create one more filter for update source columns and lookup current location, update record condition. Okay, so change the condition here. Here condition is new record. and here condition is update record. Okay, so from here to target, pass all columns. Okay, so here update strategy is required to update the previous location, and dummy of this table also required. So from here to target, so here to here. Okay, here dd underscore update, change this condition. Okay, so create a session. Already I created workflow. Create a session here. SCD type 3. Link task, change the connections. For this code, this is code new. This is bulk to normal. Okay, to all instances. This one is change target to Scott new. Okay, save it and run it. Just I want to recheck the conditions in the filter, new record, update record, and dd underscore update. Run it. Type 3 mapping is running. Succeeded. We got 11 out of 11. All our new records. Previous location is null for these records. Okay. So I'll update one record. USA. Commit. Okay. Run once again from here. Okay, only one record we got in update. Okay, that is 91 record. We updated, refresh it. Okay, the previous location is UK, the current location is USA. Again I am changing USA to India. India. So see here, the current location in the target USA, previous location is UK. Now I am changing the USA to India. Commit, enter, go to monitor, run again. We'll get one record again. Okay, refresh. So USA is the previous location and current location is India. So like this we can store the partial history. Okay, for each and every new record we will get previous location is null. I'm inserting a new record 93 with same account and Chicago. Run it again. We'll get one record in the new. Okay, one record. Total 92 is the last. Refresh 93. Okay, like this we can maintain partial history or historical data, or in type 1 current information. Type 1 current information, type 3 partial history, In type 2, flags, versions and date range historical data with different types. These are the SCD types. Thank you.